Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. It's your girl Addie. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're following and subscribing to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you can get more videos from me and follow me on social media. Today we're going to be making the Addie salad. What is the Addie salad, you ask? Wow, you don't know the Addie salad? I'm just playing. So I hate salad, and in order to get me to eat salad, I need more flavor than just dressing. So today we're going to start and make it a little funky. We're going to start with some lightly sauteed vegetables. So sauteed green onions, sauteed broccoli, some sweet pepper, and some jalapeno and habanero pepper. Just lightly sauteed, not even up to 5 minutes. Go ahead and add all your vegetables and mix it together and lightly graze the pan with it. Don't let it overcook. To season, I season with pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and powdered onions. I stir in my seasoning with my vegetables, keeping an eye on it so that it doesn't overcook. Literally 2 minutes is good enough. I want it crunchy, and I still want it to be cooked and roasted enough that it has that roasty flavor, but still crunchy, where it's not overdone. You know that overdone taste? You know what I'm talking about. Once the flavor is mixed together, take it out, put it in a plate, and stick it in the refrigerator to cool down, because we don't want this hot on your salad. Now let's season the salmon, but before we do, I gotta tell you one thing. So I'm on the road making this salad and cooking all this food from my hotel room. So I don't have all of my utensils and all of my cooking gadgets and everything. So we're gonna make do. So if you see some ghetto shit, don't say nothing. Just watch the tutorial and get your learning on, so you can lose some weight like I'm trying to. Okay? Okay. So let's season the salmon. We season it with the same thing we did with the roasted peppers. Season salt, black powder, and my special blend of blackening seasoning, and then bouillon cube. Just a little bit, like 1/4. Get the pan hot and place in your salmon. We want this to be a blackened salmon, so we want that pan real hot, but not to the point that you're gonna set off the alarm or nothing like that. We are in a hotel room. So we're going to cook it on each side for about 2-3 minutes. And when it's done and movable like it is right now, I'm going to flip it and cook it the other side. Look at that beautiful lightly blackened fish. Ugh, I stand for salmon. We're going to cook it on the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes until everything is done. We don't want it to be overdone, just done enough. For my salad, I'm using spring mix and Caesar mix, 2 different types of salad, so I can give it a dimension of taste of nothing, leafy greens. I don't know, but you know, indulge me if you will. Okay. Now I don't have a salad tasteless, so I'm using the fork and knife from the restaurant downstairs, and I added some carrots because I like freshly cut carrots. Then I'm putting in my cold roasted pepper on top. I'm going to mix it together. Then put my mozzarella. I love mozzarella. So I put in some mozzarella and some roasted almonds and pecan mix from Great Value, because that's the only thing they have. I don't like Great Value, but whatever. We're going to use what we got. Okay? And just mix it together. Toss that salad. And we're going to serve it. For those wondering where I am for work this time, I am in Lincoln, Nebraska. So, with that being said, I am on limited resources and I try to make the salad the best I can. I will reapproach this when I get home, and it might have more complex flavor to it, and we'll make it a little bit more fancy. But right now, we're going to use what we got. And for what we did, you know, we didn't do too shabby in the hotel room. You know, plate some eggs on it from earlier. Put in your salmon on the side. I ate this without dressing because I'm not really big on dressing, and the flavor of the salad itself was sufficient enough. Like, I ate the salad dry with all the roasted bits, and it was delicious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye.